Ramblings from a crypto OG about the state of the market, where do I see things going, and how they're moving. Now, you might hear some bearish things in here, but preface, I've been bullish on October ETH staking ETF since literally April. Everybody was bearish. Let me break it down to you. I'm really sitting here and thinking and wondering why this bull run has been so much different than 2021. I think it boils down to the venture capitalists pivoting their money into AI over the whole Web3. True euphoria really felt like 2021. Every celebrity, every fucking news station, crypto. In terms of psychology, that had to be true euphoria. They just had the president of the United States drop a token, and all it did was fucking bleed immediately. No hype pump, no like, oh my God, that's really fucked up. Without a doubt, you can agree and you can let me know in the comments. January 2025 of this year, when Trump launched his token, people were like, yo, pump everything. It was more hype, for sure, than it was on WLFI right here in September. The chart I'm about to show you, you've seen a lot, but people use it wrong. The psychology of a market cycle. And what you see a lot of people do is they take this picture and then they superimpose it onto Bitcoin and be like, oh, see, we're like at optimism here. You know, that's what very low IQ, dumb people do, which is mostly everybody here on TikTok. I want you to wrap your head around is not trying to match this to the market on how it looks, because you can't do it. You have to match it mentally. It's literally called psychology, not technical analysis. I didn't know any better. 2021 was euphoria. People got sad, mad about crypto. And now we're at complacency of the psychological part. Hey, altcoins, they just need that extra push. We're almost there. We need that next news piece kind of take us to the moon, right? Even though psychologically, we've already been at the moon. 2021. There's a real fucking reality that we're very near fucking complacency right now, or around that region. Without a doubt, FTX was this part down here. Doesn't seem to matter what news it is, whether it's Chainlink partnering with the biggest boys in the world, or Ethereum getting billions of buys. Something seems off in this market. You know it, I know it, we all know it. But we choose to sit here and believe that it's going to go up because it's always gone up, because that's what it always does. But I think we need to take a smarter approach and really ask ourselves, are we the exit liquidity? Is it every good piece of news has a 5-10% pump followed by a 20% dump, followed by a 20% pump, followed by a 30% dump? I want to believe that ETF staking does it for us. And everybody else is saying, oh, just wait for the rate cuts. The rate cuts alt season. Brother, the rate cuts are priced in. Anybody that has a half a brain from fucking May, June, April know that rate cuts were going to come in September. Statistically, rate cuts are done in September and of a March of a year. Well, since we didn't get rate cuts in March, then you're fucking going to get rate cuts in September. Maybe we have like a week or two max of a pump after rate cuts because it's going to be a liquidity trap. And then they're going to dump it on your asses into October ETH ETF staking, which hopefully actually takes us to the moon. Because if that doesn't take us to the moon, well, fuck everything. Short it to hell. I'll see you back at 2022 prices, and that'll be the true bottom again, where it washes out all the current believers, all the people that were hoping for the moon. We could go to 2022 prices for it. We could go to $5 chain. You can go back to 30-cent XRP. Go back to all that shit, no problem. And I think it would be the ultimate washout. I still believe that this crypto needs an ultimate washout, because there's too many projects that are worthless, that they don't do anything other than extract liquidity from idiots. And they've extracted as much liquidity as they can. Let me tell you, I watch the liquidity in the volume books every day, and I'm telling you, there's something fucking wrong. It's not like 2021. It's not even like 2023. Something is fundamentally wrong. But I hope it works out for all of us. But at the same time, keep a level head. No one went broke taking profits. If you look at your portfolio right now and you're like, wow, I've made so much money, why not capture a little bit of that? Just a little bit. Anyways, that's ramblings from an OG. Long story short, if October, November don't fucking send us to the moon, be prepared for fucking coming back down to earth. Take care, brush your hair, scrub your scalp. I'm out.